Lampung Yeleka Sports Jonki Khana School Kapala Tip Kumkan District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet Hajar Pusan Kalasdang Negasni Kakasan Treguyayong Hakabauba Eric Calvin Dekar Block Development Officer Umling CNRD Block Ulawan Banpli Bat Penheria Kalama Jongka Neka Lampung Kapala Penyai Da Ka Office Jongka District Sports Officer Ri Bhoi District Ya Kaneka Lampung Yelekai La Penlong Hamadan NSCA Paham Sim Bat Hakane Lampung Lawan Mani Shimbenta Hadu Live Hundrut Liki School Baper na po Ri Bhoi District Bat On Yelekai Pat Hadu Khandrut Liki Jajing Yelekai Kabla Piaru Hakin Rut Liki Kerdan Nakabantaki Kentei Bat Shinrang Hakane Kasngi Layodon Langru U District Sport Officer ka Ri Bhoi District Uba Bobby L Nongbet Uba RB Shadap President ka RBDSA Bat Kiwe Bat Yakane ka Jelekai Sports On Penlong Hakilai Sngi Kente Habakren Hakane Kasngi Uba Eric Calvin Dekar Ula Ai Kuble Yaka Office U DSO Kibalala Bat Penya Yakane ka Jelekai Sports Kabalawani Shimenta Ru Lai Pun Rut Liki School Bat Kitbok Kidruyang Ru Ya Baro Ki Khana School Kibawan Bani Shimenta Hakane ka Lampung Yelekai Sports
Congratulate him and his team for working so hard in bringing laurels to the state, not only in one field of sport but in many other different fields as well. So, Ri Bhoi District has become one of the main centers for excellence in terms of sports because of the presence of officers like Bobby and his team. So, I would like to request all of us to please give a big hand of applause to Bobby and his team, who is the president of the Ri Bhoi District Sports Association, and the secretary also is here, Bakin, if I get the name right. He's a district level sports meet. I would like to mention that being a sports person myself, I realize that it takes you to places and it helps to build perseverance, it helps to build integrity, and it helps to build discipline. So all the hard work that you have put in preparing for today's meet, and with the skill that the gods above have blessed you with, I'm sure that this will take you a long way in achieving not only the goal for today, but in achieving life's goals as a whole. Secondly, I would like to mention that all your hard work will pay off today, whether it's in winning or it's in defeat. But all this will teach you humility, and like I had mentioned, it will teach you discipline, and it will teach you how to get along without having so much of indiscipline. So this will help you achieve greater heights. So please remember that as academic excellence also is important, so is physical education, because it's not only the mind that has to grow, even the body has to grow along with the mind, and that will take you to different greater heights. So on that note, I would like to wish each and every one of you a very eventful and a very meaningful sports meet. And also remember that God has given you the skill, and today is your podium to showcase that. So make use of it, and always strive for the greater good. And with these few words, I would like to again one last time wish you all the very best and God bless. And on that note, I would declare the District Sports Meet 2025 open. Thank you.
Narisha Mary Nombet from St. Michael Higher Secondary School, Wanda Shisha's Aim Anand, and Alfonso from Nehru Memorial Higher Secondary School, Sen Rap Lang Sakra and Ila Pachai Shala from Nongsangu RMSA Secondary School, Sibelda Maring from St. Alfred, and Define Ingpi from St. Ladies and gentlemen, can you allow me to read out the names of the athletes who will take part in the high jump under 18 years of age girls.